Hi, thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm going to be giving a tutorial about the MyPima homepage, so come along and follow me. First, we're going to begin at the Pima College website. So you're going to enter www.pima.edu. Once you type in that website, then you're going to click on this red box at the top that says MyPima. And once you click on that, you're going to enter your own personal username and password. If you have forgotten that, then you will enter the information at the bottom to prompt for your forgotten username, password, or if that doesn't work, then you will contact the Pima help desk, which is our IT, for assistance. Once you get logged in, then it will take you to the MyPima portal. Now this homepage right here has a wealth of information, which is why we are going to focus on this homepage for this video alone. I want to direct your attention to the top to begin. Right here is the search portal. So if you know what you're looking for, go ahead and type that in this search bar. Next to it on the right hand side, these word bubbles are messages. So if you see a red alert icon like over here, that means that you have new messages waiting for you. So click on that to see what those messages are. They may be from students or your faculty and staff here at Pima. Then over here, this envelope icon is your Pima email system. And so if you were to click on that, then what that does is it takes you to the mask of your Pima email. You'll see that it also is the same as if you were to click on this My Email tab right here. And so if you were to select any of these emails, it will take you over to the Gmail portal itself. And then you could answer any of these emails, compose an email, and again, this is in your student Gmail account. Going back to your MyPima, if you click back on this home tab, then I want to direct your attention over here to this personal info box. If you ever forget your student E number, when you click on this box here, it will display it for you. Then in the middle, if you ever need to update any of your personal information, so whether that is your security questions or your address and other contact information with the college, your emergency contacts, so on and so forth, you can do that here. Also, if you ever need to change your password, you can do that here. This quick links box is just like what it says, and so if you ever need direct access into your D2L for online learning, to register for classes, to sign up for new student orientation if you have not done so, to contact your faculty or staff if you need to know what their email or phone numbers are, if you need map or directions to any of Pima's campuses, or if you need to know the key dates and deadlines for any of your events, or again, registration and other academic happenings, this is a link for that. Now I'm going to quickly scroll down to show you the college announcements. Do not skip over this because this does get refreshed and updated frequently with key announcements that are important for you to know. So please pay attention to this frequently to see some important information from the college to you. Also over here in this box is information about how to get in touch with ADR, or Access and Disability Resources. So if you are in the need of accommodations and you have that documentation available, this is information about how to get hold of them through their website and other key tips about their resources. Then, if we scroll back up here to the top, I want to point out the last key feature, which I think is fantastic, and this is the Launchpad. And so in this Launchpad, there are some buttons that you can personalize according to whichever features you use most frequently here on your home page. So how you can personalize this is by clicking the blue plus button, and then over here on the right hand side, if there is something that you have not yet added but you want to, you would just find it, click it to make sure that the green check mark appears, and then you would click this gray box to add the shortcut. Now let's say that there is a website that you want to add that is not already a standard shortcut. Then you would just name it yourself. So let's say you want to add the first year Facebook page because you're going to be going there frequently. You would then type in the URL, and then you would either upload an icon or you could choose a standard icon. So let's say you're going to choose the sunglasses because it's just so cool. Then you would add the shortcut. So then you will see that the images have updated and everything is in here accordingly. If you ever want to rearrange these icons or delete them, you can do so by clicking on this green box. So if you see that you accidentally have double, you can delete it. And then if you want to make something the first, you can rearrange it accordingly. And the directions are over here. And then you want to make sure that you click Save Changes so that they stick. So that does it for our quick tutorial on how to navigate the MyPima homepage.